Hey guys, it's freezing in LA. It's even worse than Vancouver. But tonight we're going to the SAG Awards. I mean, I really don't even know what to wear, but I'm thinking of a dress that my mom bought me from London. Yeah, maybe I can wear that. Rudolph the reindeer. If I was a boy, I'm Snow White. Where are the seven musketeers? I mean, this shit's getting too much crazy. I just don't want to be a superhero. I want to be a normal student. Hey guys, this is my online YouTube channel, and if you wanted to get accepted to UCLA, there's a few steps that you should be taking. Like, first of all, write your essay really good. I mean, it really matters. Then when you write your essay, just make sure that there's no typing problems. The typing problems are the worst. You're just gonna get denied. And just try to act cool as fuck. Like, you should be as cool as fuck if you wanna get accepted to UCLA. I'm not going to tell you how I got accepted in UCLA because that's something that you should figure out your own. If you're really worth it, you would. Next step, when I got accepted to the acting department at UCLA, the thing was that you should be doing films. You should be recording films all the time with your friends. It doesn't matter if they're not actors. You should just keep doing it. I mean, that's how I got my acceptance letter. I know, it's pretty awesome, right?